Oh, good morning, YouTube. This is William from Williams, Philippines. And today is May 22nd, 2024. I wish it was 2025. Anyway, got in a longer cable for this thing so I can actually spread it out and not be sitting on top of the computer. So I can actually stretch it out. Yeah, that's a good thing. Anyway, we got a letter that needs signature from the mail. They didn't give it to me. They just walked up, put this tag in my mailbox, and walked off. They did not try to wake me up. I know this because I was awake when that happened. I heard them hit there, and then they go and go on down the road. They never bothered to take and knock on my door. But they wanted my signature and just left a tag saying, "Hey." So great. Ain't that nice of them? Anyway. Yeah, fun stuff. Did a bit of figuring out of what to keep, what to go, and toss some more stuff out the door. Wasn't a lot, but hey, every little bit out the door's better. Less stuff in the house, more stuff gone. More elbow room to actually get around to doing my floor. Hey, it is what it is. Yeah, I guess I need to go find out what that thing is first thing in the morning. I think the post office opens up at 9. I'm standing there and run in the door. I can get back to my house hopefully by 10. And yay, get that took care of. I think it's 10 when the other guy's showing up. It's not 9, I don't think. Let me double check this. Because I got the guy coming in to give me another one of those guys to give me a price on it. And oh yay, so much fun. Yeah. Yes, 10 a.m. He'll be here tomorrow at 10. So I got to run around and do things before 10. Yay! It's okay. I can get things done before 10 and get back there and get things. It's my weekend. It's payday weekend. And yay. This is a good thing. Albeit, excuse me, the coffee's talking to me. Too much acid. Anyway, be able to get a couple things like grocery shopping and such out of the way, and pick up the mail, and hopefully I have a piece of mail going to my new address, and I added one more address over to there, so slowly but surely getting everything moved over to that address, because well, that's where I need to take and have things going that I want to come to me. Yeah, but there's a whole bunch of stuff I don't care about, and well, those are going to be left going to this address, and then oh yeah, not transferred to anywhere else. I will make sure I get everything to go. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing. Cutting down on my mail that's coming in, moving what is coming in over to the right address, and kind of like with my water bill. Yes, I will, get that taken care of and pay off the last bit. With my electric, I'm actually ahead on my electric, and on my gas. Not by much, but a little bit on my gas. But I'm $300. I skipped this month. I didn't pay it because I'm $300 ahead on my electric bill. So I'll just keep paying $100 a month for a couple more months, and then skip another one, and try to come toward the end of August, try to start cutting back a little bit more once it starts cooling down, in September and October. Start shortening it out so that I can try to get it closer to being 0, that I am ahead. So yeah. But yes, it's a good thing to try to be ahead on a few things, especially one of your larger bills. So right now I just send them $100 every month because it was 400 until I skipped this month. It's 400 and something. So, and yeah, the fun stuff. And I got to remember to take and turn off the pilot light in my heater. I just realized that, it's still on. So I need to take and turn it off so I can cut back on the pilot light. It's like maybe $2 a month or $3 a month. But hey, $2-3, every penny counts, right? So get that turned off and not have to worry about it again until probably November. There might be some colder days in before then, but I'll try to work past that and just keep my room warm as opposed to the whole house, unless it really gets cold, which it can do that. Yeah, that's one of the things I'm going to love about being to the Philippines. It don't get that cold. Short of the planetary crustal displacement and the Philippines ends up in Canada. Not going to worry about it getting cold in the Philippines. Somebody commented, actually 2 people commented about it being hot. Well, I can deal with the hot. It's that humid that really messes with me. I can deal with the hot. I'm in the Panhandle of Texas, and we get hot too. I have seen an actual temperature of 113. I don't know what that is on Celsius, but it's up there. But the temperature on that is horrible. But when it did that, my humidity level was like 15%. So nice and dry. And when you sweat, it actually evaporates, which cools you. That's the horrible thing about humidity. See, when you sweat and it's hot and humid, well, you sweat, your shirt gets wet, and there's so much moisture that it doesn't evaporate. Thus, you end up drowning in humidity. Not good. It helps a little to sweat that condition, but not near as much as it does when the humidity's down low and you dry off while sweating. That'll be my big issue. The humidity, not the heat. But put them together and it's not a pleasant experience. But I'll be remembering to be thankful on days that it's not humid. Not so much like I say, I'm not so much afraid of the heat. I'm okay with the heat. Boy, after having been here when it was, negative 13 with a wind chill into the negative 50s and negative 60s, I lost chickens at that point. It got so cold that it froze my birds in the chicken coop. Not good. It is what it is. And that's something else. I want to find a place where I can raise chickens and a garden again. But I do want to go fishing. So, we shall find something. Boy. Anyway, like I say, it's payday Friday for me. And, go get a couple things done in the morning, go get the mail, find out what they want a signature on. Why is the city sending me something with a signature required? I don't know. I think it might be my title transfer on my land. The official "you sold it" paper. Thinking that's what it is, because other than that, I can't think why they would be trying to send me something. But hey, it is what it is. So we'll send that out, or go get that and deal with it when I check it tomorrow, and then go get here to the house and get a price. So yay! It's like I say, it's going to be a cash offer and see what they're willing to offer. But this guy says he's also a real estate agent, so he can do the actual home sale of, actual sales. So that'll be good. Get an idea from him about that too. Anyway, it is what it is, and I'm going to try to enjoy this weekend and get a few things done. Yeah, more stuff needs to go out the door. I've got the electric cord fixed, so I can actually go out and try to do some of the tree and hopefully get it down and out and be ready for this weekend coming up. I think we have a busy weekend coming up for this one, because it's like the weekend before summer official kickoff, something like that, Memorial Day or something, I forget. So yeah, we'll be busy this next couple of few weeks, and that means we're going to be kicking off and getting more busy. And I actually did a whole bunch of rooms already tonight, so yay. Boss will like that. I earned my paycheck. That's a good thing. And I've been doing a little bit more walking, and I realized that the pedometer thing on this one, yeah, there's two of them on this one, and I put one on this one. Guess what? They don't read the same. The two on here do, because they're, comparing notes between the two of them. And I guess picking the lowest, because same number of steps on both of them, and I'm about 200 steps different already. Yeah. And considering that I've walked around the building with this and counted the steps, and it comes back about 2/3 of the steps, I'm going to get rid of the ones on this. I don't need the ones that are being that conflicted. I don't know. I may find another one on there and get rid of these two and download another one. See if it's more accurate. Because this is irritating. When I count the steps and I end up with 200 less steps from going around the building twice, something ain't right. So yeah, because it ain't but about 300 steps around the building. Yeah, something's wrong. But anyway, it is what it is. Anyway, thank you for the comments. 81 subscribers. Yeah, thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And what is it though? Hit the notification if you wanna. Anyway, William from Williams, Philippines. And I'll remember the heat, but I'm not so much worried about it as I am the humidity. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. Later blessings, bye-bye, and enjoy your day, and may it be blessed. I'm Fish, and hey. fish out. I'm sorry, I hit the wrong